Okay, can see the screen? Someone on the mic?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, housekeeping a little bit before we start our lesson. You don't want me to do housekeeping then? I ask you handing homework, you hand in lah. Okay, I guess all these girls are not here yet. Not here yet but maybe your friend, okay? You please pass a message to them. I don't know why I go on take here. Okay, Ravania, this one is hutang long time ago. This is last month. Okay, Aksa still hutang me this. Okay, Farah, she hutang me this and then but settle already. Then this is Ravania, hutang me second time already. Okay, so she hutang me 2 homework. Okay, and then this is who? One more here. This is Suda. Suda, I think she say she want to hand in today. I'm not sure. Is it Suda want to hand in today? This? Suda, yeah? What do you say?
I hand in already.
Where?
Huh?
You hand in inside Teams?
Yes.
Yes, I cannot find it.
Wait, I check.
Then you have to tell me which day or under which one you hand in, or if you don't want you hand in one more time or what?
Today morning, sir.
Sorry?
Today morning.
Which morning?
Today morning.
Oh, today morning only, Okay. After I will check. Okay,
Thank you.
Okay, so, okay, and then Sonia Sri here. I think she's not here yet. Someone passed to her a message. Okay, I see her homework. The rest the same thing. I don't know where you do your homework. It should do inside your exercise book. Okay, the long book. So this is chapter 2. So you should do it in your MX 2. Okay, but when I see her, she handing the homework here, Sonia Sri. I can see very clear that one is not the line paper. It's not the exercise book paper. It's a A4 paper. It's a blank paper. So I don't know. Maybe I don't know why she used that kind of paper. Someone please remind her. Okay. And then that day, I show you the list in the WhatsApp. 13 girls handing MX 1 to me. Okay. So I hope you check. If you hand in, okay, you check your name is there. You didn't hand in, double check. Okay. If someone hand in but you didn't see your name is ticked, then you have to personal WhatsApp me. Okay. I think that's all for my housekeeping. Okay, so I continue my lesson. Okay, this one is a little bit. I think I didn't touch this one yet. Am I? Someone please. Okay, this is if you have a textbook, this is at page 50. Can someone on the mic and tell me, have I mentioned this part? Sudah ke belum? Someone please answer. Anyone? No idea. Shu Ping. Got a call name now.
Yes.
You see this?
Yeah.
Have I gone through this?
I think
no, lor.
no.
No.
And you skip the limit.
I skipped the limit. Yeah, that one not yet. That one I will finish whole chapter. Then only I come back to limit. But this
Yeah.
part not yet, huh?
I think no lah.
Okay. We start with this part. Okay, girls. Today index you don't write yet. After I tell you. Okay, this is the day I think I missed this part. Okay, this part actually is quite important. You learn the second differentiation already. Okay, second derivative already. So they want to prove whether this is equal to this or not. Okay, so we just based on this example. Okay, so dy dx, the whole thing squared means you do dy dx for this, and then after that square it. Okay, so first of all, dy dx. Okay, differentiate this. Differentiate 5x, you should get 5. Differentiate -3, you should get 0. Okay, so for the part A, dy dx. Okay, you square it. This one means 5, you square it. So the answer is 25. Okay, then how about part B? Part B, d d squared y, and then this one means you differentiate the first differentiation. Okay, you differentiate the dy dx. It means here in this question dy dx 5, so you differentiate 5. Okay, you differentiate 5, you get 0. Okay, so can you see 25 and the 0, is it the same? Okay, it's different. Therefore this is not equal. Okay, not equal to, because it's different. Okay, you can show it by any example. Okay, so remember, okay, when you see this, don't mistake thought this is dy dx and then square it. No, this is not the meaning. You see there, this one means you differentiate 2 times. Okay, so this is what I want to bring. Okay, after that a little bit more for this one also we gone through already, but this one actually they want to relate it to a daily life a problem, so you can read this story lah. Okay, they say how they design the roller coaster. Okay, roller coaster okay, so when you see, you can assume like this is the roller coaster. Okay, the route of the roller coaster. So assume this is the passenger that's sitting here. Okay, at this gradient and at this gradient and at this gradient and at this gradient. Okay, so which one is more challenging if you are the passenger? Definitely when the gradient is 0, mean it's flat. Okay, this one is not challenge at all I also can ride the roller coaster Okay, but if this gradient when the gradient is 2, okay, it's quite challenging already. Okay, I think I will be very scared. Okay, when the gradient is at 4, you see, so sharp if you are the passenger here, I think you are, if without the seatbelt you're going to fall down. Okay, so how they relate this gradient with the roller coaster. So sometimes you have to understand it. Okay, it may ask during exam the questions. So this is all about the day one. Okay, so now we come to today's lesson. Okay, your textbook page 53. Page 53. Okay, this is page 53. One more thing I will share with you. I don't know how true is it Okay, heard this year the SPM, I mean the dispatch.
Hi, teacher.
Now today is first day their exam. So we heard, we don't know how true is it they're going to mark it online. All the papers mark it online. So don't know yet when I have a further when I have and when I confirm the news, then I will let you know if this batch they're going to mark online means your batch also they will continue with marking online Okay, but I don't know, I really don't know how to mark it by using online. When always like example that day you send in the assignment I mean so many times you send in assignment already, but this round when I mark and then I return into your personal chat, I feel that so how to say, really wasting my time it compare we see face to face, and then I give you the test, you just hand in, I just mark on your paper, is easier, lor. Okay, maybe another day I want to discuss with you, how to solve my problem, by marking like that, and then send back to you through the personal chat one by one like that. Ayo, headache lah. Tak boleh tahan lah. My eyes also tak boleh tahan. Okay, so today index, you write this. Okay, the equations of tangent and normal. Okay, to a curve at one point. But I think this is enough. The equation of a tangent and normal. Okay, so this is today index. Okay, today is 22nd. Okay, first of all, this part, here until here. Okay, this is, I think, a revision for you. Okay, you have learned how to find the straight line equations. Okay, so consider point P, xy, y1, point R is xy are on the straight line. Okay, L. Okay, you look at the diagram. Okay, with the gradient m as shown in the diagram on the right. This is known that the gradient of a PR, which is equal to m. Okay, you use this formula. Okay, y, usually you will use y2, x2, and y2 here, right? But instead of y2 and x2 here, they change to xy. Your xy is the variable that you need to involve in this equations. Means you can assume that this r is the moving point lah. Okay, r, it can be here, it can be here, it can be here. That's why they don't label it as a x2, y2. They just label it as x and y, a common one. Okay, it can be anywhere the r. Okay, then you fix the p x1, y1. Okay, so how to find the gradient? Okay, y minus y1 over x minus x1. Okay, originally is x2 minus y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But instead of the x2 and the y2, okay, this one you make it become x and y. Okay, so that your formula become like this. Okay, then the denominator move to the right hand side. Okay, so it will become like this. Okay, so when you have gradient, okay, a number, and then when you have a x1 and y1 and the number, so you just put in, then you will get your straight line equations. Okay, the formula for the equation of the straight line L with gradient m that passing through point P, x1, y1 can be written as this. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, for the straight line. Okay, now, okay, tangent. Okay, remember what is dy dx? What is dy dx? Okay, very beginning of the chapter. Okay, dy dx means the gradient, okay, of the tangent. So now we want to find the equation of the tangent. Actually, the same thing, you see. Tangent is just a straight line. Okay, tangent actually is a straight line. So I'm going to use this formula to help me, okay, to build the formula for equation of tangent. Okay, so I just choose a point here, the point P. Okay, this P and the P, okay, the same lah. Okay, so the x1 now, let's assume this is A lah. Okay, then for you to find the, when x is A, you substitute here, then you get the y value. So this one you can assign it as a FA. Okay, so you see the x1 now become A, the y1 now become FA. The gradient now here is the dy dx. Okay, dy dx, another way of writing is f prime x. But remember, since you are using this point, so I can find the dy dx at this point, means I'm finding f prime A. Okay, the gradient of the tangent at the point when x equals to A. Okay, so f prime A. Okay, so the gradient here I replace with f prime A. So this is the equation of the tangents. So the same thing, these are not given in the formula. Okay, so how you want to remember this is based on this. Okay, the gradient formula. Okay. Okay, this formula can be used to find the equation of tangent and the normal to a curve. In the diagram on the right, okay, line L1 is a tangent to the curve of the y equal fx at point, the gradient of the tangent of L1 is the value of dy dx at x equal a, that is f prime a. Okay, so this one done. Okay, so this is the formula for equation of the tangent. Okay, then what is the meaning of normal? Okay, this part now we're going to learn two things: tangent and then normal. I don't know whether you learned this before, the normal. Okay, you look at the green color line that label with L2. That one is normal. Okay, means tangent and normal will make 90 degrees. Okay, tangent and normal make 90 degrees. So you have done that two perpendicular line, their gradient is how? Okay, if you have two lines which is perpendicular, okay, if the first line the gradient is m1, the second line the gradient is m2. Okay, can you relate these two if these two lines are perpendicular? Okay, I see who is here. Catherine, you want to try, Catherine? Catherine, oh. You want to try? What is relation? What is how to relate the M1 and M2 if the two lines are perpendicular? Got answer?
In the put equal something, is it?
Yeah.
Well, teacher, what you say again?
Okay, if the two lines are perpendicular, so their gradient, how you relate them?
Not sure.
Oh, cannot remember.
Yeah, forget.
You remember last time we learned parallel?
Yeah.
If two lines are parallel, so their gradient is what?
The same.
Okay. Then after that, we learn if the two lines are perpendicular.
Upside down is it?
Upside down, something like that. Yeah, very near already. Okay, never mind, never mind. You have helped me for a parallel. Okay, now I call another. Hema. Oh, someone typed the answer already. Oh no. Hema. Hema, oh. Hema. No mic meh? Oh, you okay, okay. Can you please tell me? Okay, if the two lines are perpendicular, so how you delete the two how to say, the two gradient, M1 and M2? U and M is what? Wait I cannot wait lah. Oh, very good. Oh, this is Vanessa. Okay, when M1 times M2 equals -1. Okay, so okay. M1 times M2 equal -1, M1 times M2 equal -1. Okay, you also can say M1 is equal to 1 over negative 1 over M2. Then you also can say M2 is equal to -1 over M1. Okay? Okay. Someone answer? Hema, why you say wow? Okay. So this is last year what you have learned. Okay. So all related. Okay, line L2, which is perpendicular to the tangent L1, is the normal to the curve, okay, at the same point P. If the gradient of the tangent f prime A exists and is non-zero, the gradient of the normal based on the relation M1, M2 equal -1, okay, it will be like this. Okay, so same like this, same like this one. -1 over, okay, the other gradient. So it's -1 over f prime A. Okay, therefore the equation of the normal will become like this. You see the same, the y minus fa, y minus fa the same. X minus a the same. It's just the gradient. Okay, the gradient f prime a for the tangent, it will become negative 1 over f prime a for the normal. Okay, that's all. Okay, so this one will be the equation of tangent. This one will be the equation of normal. Okay, remember tangent is like this. Tangent only touch one point on the curve. Okay, then the normal will make 90 degree with the tangent. Okay, this is the meaning of normal. The tangent and the normal. Okay, now go to example. Okay, find the equations of the tangent and normal to the curve fx. Okay, at 0.25. Okay, so how we want to do these questions? I do in. Okay. Actually, you don't have to sketch the graph for this question. You don't have to. Okay, so okay, this is so dear. Okay, this is example 14. Okay, so we start with fx equals to x to power 3 minus 2x squared plus 5. Okay, the point is 2, 5. Okay, so always start with the differentiation. Okay, so 3x squared and then 4x. Okay, and then at the point t 2, 5. Okay, the x is 2. This is x and this is y. Okay, the x is 2. So 2. Okay, so mean replace the x here with 2. Okay, so this is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay, so f prime 2 is 4. Okay, so now how to form the equations of the tangent? Okay, equation of the tangent will be y minus y. This y. Okay, the point near y. Okay, equals to, okay, the gradient is 4, the f prime 2. Okay, and then x minus x. Okay, the point p near x. Okay, so x minus 2. Okay, then just simplify, then you will get the answer. Okay, this one goes 4x. Okay, come here plus 5. Okay, so this is the equation of the tangent. Okay, so continue equation of the normal because the question asks for both. Okay, equations of normal. Okay, same thing, y minus y. Okay, x minus x, but the gradient, okay, 4, it becomes negative 1 over 4. Okay, so same thing. Okay, just expand. 2 over 4 is 1 over 2. Okay, minus 5 plus 5. Okay, 11 over 2. Okay, if you want to make no fractions, okay, so you can times 4 to every terms, or you can just leave it this way. Okay, this one also good enough. Okay, so this is example 14. Okay, asking about the equations of the tangent and equations of the normal. Okay, we go back to the textbook. Okay, turn to the page 54. Okay, now we have solved problem. You look at this problem. Okay. It means if the question didn't tell you this is the question about tangent, you have to know. Okay, this one will be related to the tangent. Okay, diagram 2.1a show the circular pen where a quarter of it has been cut off. That is AOB. Okay, it cut off AOB. They cut out this part. They cut out this part. Okay, a ball circulates along the circumference of the pen. Okay, so means the ball start from here. Okay, start from here, go round, and then when this one, because this one means cut off already, so when come here, the ball will fly away. Will fly away. Okay, when the ball come here, it will fly away. Okay, so what will happen to the movement of the ball when it reach point A, where the quarters portions AOB has been removed as shown in the diagram 2.1b. Will the ball move tangential to the circumference of the pen at A? Okay, yes, the answer is yes. Okay, the ball when come here, I try to draw. Okay, at first it follow here, follow here, follow here. And then here, because it's nothing already, so suddenly the ball will come out this way. Okay, come out this way. Come out this way. The ball should be nearer. Yeah. Okay, the diagram. Okay, so here, if you extend, okay, this line actually is a tangent. Okay, at point A. Okay, this line actually is tangent at point A. Okay. So we look at example 15. Another example about the tangent. Okay, diagram on the right show a route which is represented by the curve. Okay, so this is a route. The red color one is the route. Okay, Kumar drove on the route as it was raining and the route was simply his car skipped at A. Okay, so and follow the line AB. Okay, which is tangent at the route at A. So here they mention to you. Okay, when the car skid, it will follow this line which is a tangent at A. Okay, the blue color line. Okay, this AB actually is a tangent at A and has an equation of this. Okay, y equals to 2x minus c. Okay, this tangent has these equations. Okay, find the coordinate of the A. Okay, what coordinate of the A? You can put xy if you want, or maybe AB. Maybe AB. Because you can see here, maybe you can put AB. Okay. Okay, they want to find the coordinate of the point A. Okay, so you see like just now example 14 is they give the coordinate, then they ask for the equations, but now the other way around. Okay, they give the equation but not a complete one, because here you still have a C. Okay, but then they ask for the coordinate. Okay, so how to do? I'm not sure how to do. Okay, I just differentiate first. Okay. So differentiate this, the curve. Okay, equations. So dy dx. Okay, so this is half. Differentiates x squared is 2x, and then minus 2. So here cut and cut. So I have x minus 2. Okay, and then this is the gradient function. Okay, let's say the gradient at the point A. If you look at these equations, y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to mx plus c. Okay, this c and c are different things. Okay, you see this, the gradient is 2. Okay, means how do I write? Okay, dy dx is equal to 2. Okay, when x is equal to a lah, this a, the x coordinate for the point A. Okay, therefore you can replace the x here with the a. A minus 2 is equal to this 2. Okay, therefore a is plus 2. A is 4. Okay. After you get the a is 4, okay, you can substitute because the point A is one of the point of the curve. You can substitute here to get the coordinate y value. Okay, so y equals to half. Okay, now the x value is a 4. 4 squared minus 2. Again, x is 4 plus 2. Okay, then this one you will get answer. Okay, this is 8. 8 minus 8. So the answer is 2. 4, 2, the answer. So make a conclusion. Point A is 4, 2. Okay, this is for part A. Okay, so you see, the question can be very, not direct, not straightforward. Okay, like just now, example 14 is straightforward. They give you the point, they ask for the equations. But now the other way around, they give you the equation but not a complete one. Okay, and then they asking for the point. Okay, now the value of the constant C, part B. Okay, how to find the value of the constant C? Okay, you can do it normally. If not, you just substitute inside. Then you should find. Okay, you can substitute the point A, x and y inside here. X and y inside here. Okay, for the y equals to 2x minus c to find the point C. Okay, so part B, this is part A. Okay, your x and y, this is x and this is y. Y is 2, this is x and this is y, equals to 2, the x is 4, okay, minus c. Therefore, you can find the c. Okay, the negative c come here, become positive c. This is 8 plus 2 come here, minus 2. So therefore, c is 6. Okay, so that's all. Okay. Okay, today quite fast. So same thing, continue like that day, I give you some questions, you can answer the questions. Okay. What question can I ask? Do you have any question for me? Okay, today homework, 2 exercise. Okay, 2.8. This is homework. And then the 2.9. Okay, okay. Maybe before I continue, can you share with me how your teacher mark your work and then return to you? Kritika.
We submit in Google Classroom, and then teacher will mark and some give us back.
How your teacher mark? They add comment, is it? Or they use like I have a pen like that, the digital pen, and then tick, 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 or cross or circle inside your
I'm
script?
not sure about that, but we always submit only, but we don't know got marked or not. We just upload in Google Classroom.
Okay, tell me any teacher that mark and return. Only me, meh?
Science got teacher, science
Huh?
teacher got science.
Sejarah got.
Tiara? Science?
Also got. Science mostly we do in Google form, like Google question 1, and then we hantar balik. Or we take picture and then we send, teacher will mark one by one lah. But usually teacher prefer sending in Google Docs or Microsoft, so it's easier for them markers when they open it. it will just straight away go to the work, if we put Microsoft Google Docs.
Microsoft Google Docs means you take picture and then you insert inside the
No,
document.
we do in the Microsoft Word, and then we just upload the file in Google Classroom like that.
You mean you got to type, is it?
Yeah.
Boy, MS you want to type, I tell you, you cry lor.
Yeah, no, cannot type. For maths, got quizzes like that lah.
Yeah, quizzy MS how to do quizzy?
True, so.
Quizzy very very simple question no need lah. That one will not help you lah. Hema say what? Google C Classroom. Okay, we discussed during Google Class, Google Meet, Google Class what? So sejarah, how your sejarah teacher mark? Dashna? Only Quizzy got mark Like me? Means how?
I sent her my work and then she see some mistake lah, so she
You
take
snap photo You not type
Yeah, I snap photo.
You snap photo, then you send through what?
Google
Google?
Classroom.
Google Classroom.
Yeah.
Under assignment?
Yeah.
And then after how the teacher mark?
And then she sent me back with the one like the one the ink. Then she marked there on my paper lah with the screen and the one. Yeah, digital marking lah, teacher.
Then how she send back to you?
She sent back to me through private comment.
Private comment means at the private comment can
Means like she sent to me, right? Only I can see.
not everyone can see, only you can see.
Yeah, my work means I can only see one.
Then the teacher that will be same like me very headache one by one got to send back. We got to download one by one and then mark already have to save inside our laptop makan our space you can imagine we not only have your class then so many work. Then after that from our laptop send one by one personal message or whatever or personal chat or whatever send one by one, attach one by one back to you. Boy, don't know what to say. Maybe I'm thinking I don't know can work or not after I got to try. Okay, you maybe after you snap photo already, you insert inside the Microsoft Words, and then after that the words you upload into a Google Drive. Then after that, when I open the Google Drive, I mark already sendiri it will simpan back into the Google Drive. Then you sendiri go back to the Google Drive, okay, correct back sendiri punya file and then see what I mark. I think maybe easier lah. I don't know yet. I have to go and try and see. Because Google Classroom and then the Teams both are the same. They got no very canggih punya function that I can think of just look at the screen I can use my digital pen tick 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 and then just straight away can return from there. But other not like that. Very sad. Unless as you say you want to type I don't want to waste your time to type. Okay, I want you to do more questions. Okay. What question can I ask you? Let me see If we still do differentiation, I think none very difficult. Want to ask you question like that. So let me see the attendance. 19 only here. Sonia Sri here. She's here. Sonia Sri, can you on your mic? Oh, I think she's typing. Yeah, okay. Sonia Sri. Okay, I see you hand in your homework is you are using A4 paper You are not doing in your MS2 is it? Ayo, don't rewrite lah. I know you all got a lot of homework one. Only that one I write No need to roughly write already. You all got so many homework. You know you have to do all the homework I give not only do the one I ask you to hand in all. Okay? You got so many homework. You got the time to rewrite it Okay. Ravania here. I saw you here, but can you answer me, Ravania? I'm not sure she got a mic or not. Ravania. I can see Aksa not here. And you already have to think twice or not. If you really want to drop MMATs, you can go and ask your friends that have dropped MMATs. You ask them happy or not. I can tell you, they will tell you happily. No need to listen to Kwan Eng anymore. Again, everyday homework. So many homework to do. Okay, Ravanya. You never handing homework to me. LOL is what? Catherine. They all happy.
Laugh out loud, teacher.
LOL again?
LOL means L, laugh, O, out, L, loud. Laugh out loud.
Laugh out loud.
Okay. I learned new thing. You mean the one they draw MS already, they laughing out loud. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, seeing us suffer in advanced class, they are very happy,
Okay. My how to say advice lah. You know when you do your band 3 questions, for those nearly passed, then is okay. I mean the 15/20. Everyone know your score, right? If you are scoring very low, reconsider it. You want to drop or not? Okay, then you will live happily, same like your friend. This is my advice. Okay, you drag, the more you drag, the more you suffer. Okay, I suffer, never mind. I drop MS, okay, Chong say, but I still here because I miss teacher. Ayo, good lah. Okay, maybe you will listen to my lesson. You have your how to say, you have learned a little bit and then help in your modern maths. I don't know lah. Okay, you are still welcome to join my lesson. Okay. Okay. So Ravania, come back to you. You all don't disturb already. Okay, Ravania. You say your phone's what hanging means what? I need to know your problem, why you cannot hand in homework 2 times already. And then your band 3, the question also you didn't do. Ravania. Okay. I want you to personal WhatsApp me, you didn't notice. I mentioned last time. I hope you do all my homework. Okay, you got 2 homework that you need to hand in. If you are not sure which one, after you WhatsApp me, okay, then I will tell you. Okay. I think I don't waste your time. Okay. Okay. So and then Ravania, you have to personal WhatsApp me. Tell me why you didn't do your band 3 assignment. Okay. Then Aksa, I don't know where she is. Okay. Sakit hati, that one. Okay, so wait for a while. I will stop recording. Okay.